Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gui Kantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Card Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. These are the list of the softwares I've covered on our YouTube channel. They are very much available on our platform. Just visit the link in the description box and then go there and keep yourself busy, okay? I don't teach all of these softwares on our platform on Telegram. For a token of 1,000 naira per each software for a week, okay? You can come register with us and we'll take you for 1 week for 1,000 naira, okay? Right now, today I'm going to be introducing you to how you can come up with your design using Protastructure. Okay, this is the design we're going to be treating. As you can see, this drawing is actually large. The span here, the length here is 44,660. That's making it 44.66 meters. Okay, and the width here is actually around 21.47 meters. Okay, in this case, anytime you're building large spans up to over 30 meters or up to 30 meters, you have to introduce an expansion joint. Okay, I'll be taking you through that process in this class. Let me just guide you through this. As you can see here, this building has actually been cut out. This is a cross section here at AA. Now when you cut this is actually what you're going to see. Sorry, let me divide this screen into two. Now when you cut this is actually what you see, okay? So you can see here is a steel roof. It says steel roof truss to structural engineers design and detail. Okay, so I'm going to be using Protastructure to design this steel. I'm going to be using Protastructure to design even the reinforced concrete as well. Here you can see the entrance porch. Okay, let me take you here. Reinforced concrete roof slab. Okay, so we're going to have a reinforced concrete roof slab at this point. We are going to have a steel roof here, and then we are going to have the normal wooden roof trusses that you are familiar with. Okay, I'm going to guide you through this whole process. I'll be taking this whole video or this whole tutorial on using Protastructure from start to finish, and it's going to actually be on in series. Okay, so today I'm just going to be introducing or explaining how you can actually come up with the general arrangement on this. Okay, if you already love what you are seeing, why not give it a thumbs up? Okay, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. You see a red button down below. Click on that button and you have subscribed already. Click on the bell icon to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that are trying to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, Like I explained in my other video, I have a video which I have explained general arrangement. You can visit my channel down below the description of this video. Okay. um, First thing you need to know is, first thing you do is to take off all the windows, delete all the doors, delete the windows, delete all architectural annotations and dimensions. Okay. Now to do that, if your building is actually in layers, it's very easy. Okay, if the design is actually in layers, it's very easy to achieve that. Okay, so all I'm going to do right now is, I don't want to tamper with the existing drawing, so I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so right now I'm going to be using my way of turning off some layers. I'm going to delete this. Turn on my layer. Now this is what we have. Okay, now I'm going to delete these. Now all my layers has been locked, so I will go to okay, so I'll go to my layers, click here, click on this first one, sorry, click here, I'll back down, hold on, shit. to, let me unlock all of these layers. Okay, so this is what we have now. I've deleted the doors, I've deleted the windows. So the next thing I'm going to do is to start joining all of this together, where so you have to check the dimensions. So let me see what is there. So you have to use the angular. Okay, so this is 3600, which is large enough, so I can make here, here. Okay, so I can make here a panel, here a panel, make here a panel, make here a panel. I'll make the whole of this a panel. Okay, I'm going to take off this. Okay, let's come here. I'll make the whole of this middle WC panel, the whole of this office panel. Okay, so I will join the whole of these as a panel. So let's jump right into that. Now, mind you, you must take note that two engineers' general arrangement can never come out exactly the same way. Okay, general arrangement is actually a structural layout. So a lot of things actually help you to come out with your general arrangement easier, faster, and even more economical. Now, your experience is something that actually matters a lot too. Okay, structural layout is the arrangement of your structural members, how you want it to look like. Okay, that is what will determine how many numbers of panels, okay, how many numbers of beams that will actually be on your design. So it's like the first step that an engineer must take before you can come up with your structural design. Okay, if you want to have a deeper insight of structural layout, I will advise you go through this channel and then visit my channel. You'll find a video on that where I explain how you can come up with your general arrangement. Okay, so I don't know what this drawing is actually. Thing is this, your general arrangement will determine how economical. The main thing is the safety. Engineer A should design, engineer B should design, one will definitely be more economical than the other, and this is actually affected by the general arrangement. So two designs can be very much correct. One will definitely be more economical than the other. Okay, going to be joining these lines together and making them in panels. Okay, as you can see, all the doors and windows, I'm closing them all. Okay, so there will be no opening at all. As you can see, it's getting shaped gradually. Okay, staircase area. Now, if you notice, that this drawing is somehow kind of tricky. You need to take your time very well to study it. Okay, if you take from this section here, you discover that you can see you have like another floor here. Okay, which is this is the first floor, this is the ground floor. Okay, now here it's actually void. You can see this is the up floor, this is the first floor. Okay, here we have a roof that is actually below. Okay, and here is actually void. So here now, let's look at this. Here you see we have a concrete gutter here, so that means around this area, this shape that you see, there's a gutter that is actually above this. Okay, at the top of this. So here now our steel roof is just only going to cover, let me use a rectangle too. It's actually going to cover just around this area. Okay, so our steel roof is actually going to cover here. Here is actually going to be the wooden roof that you know. Okay, so right about now, let me delete this rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to join all these lines together, and then here let's look at these columns. Let's check the distance between the columns that was specified by the architect. So sometimes you can actually maintain the positions and the shape of the column by the architect. So on this design, I'm actually going to maintain this column, the shape and the size. I'm going to maintain it. This is 230 by, let's check what is the height, what is the length here. Here is 450, so it's actually 450 by 230 by 450 column, which I'm going to leave it at that. And then the distance between these columns are actually 3 meters, which is very much okay. So I'm going to leave it at that. So I'm going to join all of these walls together. That is what I'm going to do, and then I will actually clean up the first floor as well. I'm going to take off all these architectural annotations, the windows, the doors. I'm going to clean all of this up. Okay, and then after that, then we'll jump right into our protastructure proper. Okay, Now here are going to be here we have two choices. Either we design a steel beam that will actually go across all of this way, or we can use a reinforced concrete beam as well to go across all of this. We take it straight, okay, or we can follow this zigzag as well. Mind you, in design, what you consider is actually safety first, and then the economical aspect of it. Okay, so safety should be your watchword, and then economical. Okay, so we are actually going to take this. Let's take it zigzag. We are going to follow this shape. Okay, because there will be a parapet by this side. Okay, and coming straight this way, we'll be having a still coming this way, we'll be having a roof that will be acting on this. Okay, okay, right now I have actually wiped out the windows, the textural annotations and dimensions. Okay, I've taken all of that off. Okay, sorry, I'll have to delete all of these. Okay, they are not useful anymore. Now in general arrangement, there are some walls that you have to delete. For example, you see this. Let's check this dimension and see. You discover that it's either 150 or I guess it's 150. Let me use angular dimension. You can see it's 150 wall. So automatically this wall I'm going to, because the toilets and bedroom, your store, most times the walls are non-load bearing walls. Okay, so in that case such walls are actually deleted. And again, what actually affects these is when you check the span, maybe the span is not actually that large. You can take off that wall. Okay, you can see here now it's 4650. So I'm going to leave this at this. Another thing you must put into consideration is the relationship between your first floor, the floor that is coming on the ground floor. Okay, there should be a very good relationship, so as for you not to have much of point load acting on your slab. Okay, so you must actually think very well on how your beam lines will follow. Okay, where it will follow and the positionings of your column. So try as much as possible to kind of reduce your point loads. Okay, try as much as possible to reduce that. And so this is the only thing we have in our first floor. Okay, that's why I cut the other remaining part out. Okay, this is just what we are going to have in our first floor. Okay, so just like we did before, I'm going to be joining all of the walls together. Okay, they are now going to be in form of our beams and columns. This is actually what we are going to use in our foundation level. This is just what we are going to have in our first floor level. Okay, so we are going to be having a slab here. All of these are going to be slabbed. Okay, but here we are just going to have just our beams. Our beams are going to be around this area like this. All of this here we have beams. Okay, here are going to, here is what continues up. Here is what actually continues up that we are going to slab. That's what you're actually seeing here, but there are some little changes that has been done at the first floor. Okay, there are some little changes, so we'll try as much as possible to do our design or do our arrangement here so as for it to kind of blend well with this in order to mitigate point loads. Okay, if you already like what you are seeing, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. You see a red button down below, click on that red button and you have subscribed already. Okay, click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos like this on the weekly, sometimes on the daily, so as to encourage as many that are trying to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, now I'm going to join all of these walls together. Mind you, I said there's no opening, okay, in structural designs. Okay, the doors and windows must be closed down. Okay, as you take them off, you close them off. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to clean all of these. See, all of them are okay. This is how my first floor is going to actually look like. While here, you can remember I said we're going to introduce an expansion joint because of the length of this building is actually very large. Okay, if you try to check this length, building is actually very large. So let's check this. Oh, 44. Okay, so it's 44,000, which is more than 30 meters. Okay, this 44 point something meters. So right now I'm going to be introducing an expansion joint at this point, another one at this point. Okay, going to delete this. So this is what I'm going to be having on my first floor. Okay, now I'm going to actually erase all of these chairs that we have here. Now the dimension from here to here, you can see is 15,603. So I'm actually going to divide all of this span this way by 3. Like I told you, general arrangement is actually based on your discretion and based on your experiences and how you feel your structural members should be like. Okay, and this general arrangement of engineers varies. Okay, it varies. One will definitely be more economical than the other. Okay, the main thing you must put into consideration is the safety. Okay, the safety first, then the economical. Okay, because at this point I want to do a general the foundation layout. This will definitely be what I'm going to be using for my foundation layout. Okay, so I want to divide this by 3, and then let me check this length. Okay. So right now I want to introduce my expansion joint, which is actually going to be here. This joint is actually going to be 20 mm. You can see. Now I'm going to place column on both sides, on this left side and on the right side. Okay. All I'm going to do is just to make a column of 230 here, another 230 here. So we're going to have a combined base. Okay, it's actually going to be a combined base on this side and also on this side as well. Okay, so whichever base that is coming along here will be combined. So all I will do here is just to okay. Right now, just like you see here, I'm going to be introducing grid lines on this on our general arrangement. Okay, I'm going to introduce those grid lines. Okay, as you can see, our general arrangement is actually almost ready. Okay, now we have, this is our ground floor, this is our first floor. Okay, so this is what we're going to use in our ground floor, your foundation layout. We're going to use this for our slab detailing at the first floor. Okay, so I have to connect this as a beam here. Alright, at this point, okay, I'm actually done with my arrangement. So this is actually my general arrangement. All I have to do now is to check the relationship between my ground floor and my first floor. Here is actually going to be my first floor. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this. Take it down. I'm going to make this so I have actually made this is my first floor. Okay, so I made this first floor blue. I want to see the relationship between the ground floor and the first floor. So where we are certain that will definitely be equal is our staircase area. So I'm going to copy from staircase area, or move rather. Okay, pick it from this point. I drop at this point. Okay, so this, the blue area here, this is where our first floor is going to be. Okay, so introduce you to forex trading. Okay, there is this new platform which is called Tradera. You like it, to enjoy this. Okay, Tradera is actually a great platform where you can make a whole lot of money by forex, by trading. Okay, um, if you love this, if you like the idea, you can go down below the description of this box. You can reach me out on my WhatsApp contact. Okay, chat me. So you can see that the whole thing is getting shaped gradually. So this will be our general arrangement for our slab and beam layout. This is actually going to be for our slab and beam layout. Okay, and then here you can see there might be need for me to extend or I can take this beam this way and then leave here void. Okay, let me take it this way. Okay. Okay, so if you love what you're seeing, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel, is actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that are trying to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, you have interest in forex trading, you want to learn how to trade, you want to start making money online. Okay, with forex trading, where we teach you by professionals how to come up with your trading. Okay, how to trade, we teach you how to trade for a token of 40,000 naira. We teach you how to trade, you register, you start trading as immediately. Okay, and then you have results of professionals where you can just copy and paste their result and begin to make money on trading. Okay, if you have interest, why not DM me down below the description of this video. My WhatsApp contact is there. You can reach me out on that number, or you can call me, or you can chat me up. You can follow me on any of those social media platforms. Tradera is the name. Okay, forex trading, and you will not regret it. Okay, stay safe and make sure that you actually stay blessed. Okay, okay. um, as you can see, this is what I'm going to be using for my slab and beam layout, and then this is what I'm going to be using for my foundation layout. So